Welcome to lemonsworld for extra lemons crap. Porsche Boxsters.
Yeah.
First of all, I gotta say, I'm a little hesitant to get stereotyped as the Porsche guy here because
by default, man, you're the one who's got a Porsche.
I don't like that crap at all. But let us just say, as long as that's gonna fall on me, here's what I know about Porsche Boxsters. First, very little. Second of all, they're incredibly cheap now because when one thing goes wrong, the car is totaled.
Yeah.
Head gasket, totaled.
Yeah.
Water pump, totaled.
Yeah.
The motor on these things, which is a really pretty good motor, but it's tucked up under the middle of the car. You got to drop the whole thing out to do most stuff. So you could find these things for $400 all day long. I know this because my father has one, and you know how much it's worth? $400. In fact, it's so bad, he went out and bought another one that was also $400. Between the two, had to make one car. My father, by the way, is in his mid-80s, so if he can do it, Lemons guys can do it. However, do not come to a Lemons race and think, this Boxster is going to dominate. It will soak up the track, because that is never going to happen.
Et ça se touche et l'accrochage. Et une voiture. Incroyable image de Jules Goudon posée sur le toit de Geoffrey de Narda.
Thanks for watching Lemons World.
Don't forget to subscribe.